Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup accounting backups with iDrive for ransomware protection step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the iDrive website. If you do not have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Follow the prompts to enter your information and set up your account. Once your account is set up, log in with your credentials. Download the iDrive application appropriate for your operating system. Install the application by following the on-screen instructions. After installation, launch the iDrive application. Sign in using your iDrive account details. On the main dashboard, locate the Backup section. Click on Add Backup to initiate a new backup setup. Choose the folders that contain your accounting data. Ensure you select all relevant files that need to be backed up. Review the backup settings to customize options as needed. Consider scheduling your backup for specific times to automate the process. You can also select versioning options to keep multiple versions of files. Once you are satisfied with your selections, click on the Backup Now button. The application will begin the backup process. Monitor the progress through the status bar on the dashboard. Verify that the backup completes successfully. To protect against ransomware, check the versioning and snapshot features. These features allow you to restore previous versions of files if needed. It's advisable to periodically check backups to ensure they are up to date. You can access your backups anytime through the iDrive dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the restoration process in case of data loss. Regularly update your iDrive application to benefit from the latest features. Now, you have a secure backup solution to protect your accounting data from ransomware threats. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.